Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your sold listings app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click on settings, just click on it here. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on app notifications. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on types of notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to sold listings here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me sold listings notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.